Welcome back to the TechieCV tutorial. Today we are going to discuss about how to load a pipe delimited file using wildcard into a table, right? So I have a pipe delimited file which has two records, employee ID and employee name as their columns or the header, and two records, employee ID 1 and 2, and their respective names are Rishabh and Manav, right? So I'll use get file names as a component. I have mentioned the path here, and here I have passed the wildcard. So it will fetch all the files which have extension txt. Click on show files. It will show you that record. Click on preview. So I need this variable which is file name because it is giving me the path along with file. In the text file input, click on this box, accept file names from previous step, right? Step to read file names from get file names. Here you need to mention file name, which is the path along with file. In the field section, you have to mention the field names, which is coming from the file, which is employee ID and employee name. In the content, you have to set a separator, which is pipe. As your file has header, you have to check this box, and the number of header lines is 1, right? So click on OK. Next come the database. Here you have SQL Server connection, right? So you have to create the SQL Server connection in SQL Server native with access type as native JDBC. Here I have set all the values: localhost, database name, instance name, port number, my user which I have created in SQL Server with password. Click on test, right? So this is done. Before that, we have to make sure that few services should be up and running in SQL Server Configuration Manager. First is SQL Services, second is SQL Server Browser Services. So initially it will be disabled. So you have to go here, go to Services, change the start mode to manual, click OK, and then right click, you start the services. Second thing is go to protocols, go to TCP IP, enable equal to yes, go to IP addresses and change here port to 1433. Once this is done, you have to place the SQL Server driver in library folder of PDI. Once all these settings are done, you will be able to connect to database from Pentaho. So here I have created a connection, SQL Server connection. Schema is this, table is this, right? So in order to map the fields which is coming from source to the database columns, you have to check this box which is specify database fields, right? So this is table fields, this is my stream fields, right? Click on OK. Now before that, I'll go to database. Let me truncate this table, right? As of now, there are no records in the table. So this table is similar to the file which is having two columns, employee ID and employee name. Now run the use case, right? So it is completed successfully. Go to database and run the select star from table name query. You will see both the records are loaded successfully into the table. So thank you for watching. If you like it, please share it and subscribe it to my channel. Thank you very much.